Hi, this video is to show you Wordart. It's a free website that allows you to visualize words in fun ways and is a nice way to add a point to your assignment. So wordart.com, you click on create and it loads this page. Then you put the words you're trying to visualize. So for example, in my word processing assignment, they have to write uses for word. So in a work environment, we're going to say word is used for posters, memos, letters, CVs, and then just press enter and write reports. You can have only 3 or you can have up to, I don't know, a lot of words. If you're happy with just that, press visualize. And then it will change it into a shape you've chosen. So if you want to change your shape, just down here in shapes, you could choose a dog and a cat, for example. Press visualize again. And it puts it into that. So maybe if you worked in a vet's, that could be helpful. Let's say you're doing something for a birthday card, for example. You could do that. Then you could change your words. Go back up to the top. I'm going to say happy birthday Niall, my husband's name. We love you. And then Julianne, Thomas and Roisin are my children's names. So I'm going to make sure the shape is the balloon. I could change my font to something a little bit more funky. And then visualize. So there you go. You can see how effective it is. So when you want to use this on a card or in a Word document, for example, just go to Snip on your computer. Just type Snip. Up pops the snipping tool. New. And then move him out the way. I just go to the top and the side of the picture I'm cutting. And then it's ready to paste. Let me just show you really quickly. So I'm going to do a birthday card. I'm going to change the orientation of my page. So instead of it being portrait, I'm going to change it to landscape. So I can fold it in half. And I just press paste. So whenever you snip something, it always saves itself on the cloud, ready for you to paste it when you're ready. So all you have to do is paste wherever you are. So you can do whatever you like in the middle and then just find your document, paste, it's there. You can paste it again if you want it a second time and it's there. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Remember, wordart.com. Thank you.